I challenged myself to build the ultimate smart desk, using only AI tools. No designers, no blueprints, just artificial intelligence guiding every step, from layout to automation. Here's how it turned out. I started with tools like Planner 5D and Room GPT to scan and visualize my workspace. I got real-time 3D renderings and layout suggestions, down to where my desk should go to avoid glare. Then I used Midjourney and Interior AI to design the look. Clean wood, dark finish, underglow lighting. AI helped me choose gadgets, plan automations, set up sensors, configure smart routines, and even adjust lighting and music based on my mood. The final build included sit-stand desk with automation, smart light panels, voice assistant inventory tagged drawers, wireless charging pads, workflow automations triggered by voice or motion. The result? A workspace that thinks, that adapts to me, that helps me focus. And yes, it looks amazing. Would you build a smart desk like this? Smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech challenges, future experiments, and real talk from TechWave 65.